Guys, I'm pretty excited. It's Aura's Shiva Shiva song. I've already heard the song. I just got to know there's a big surprise in store for me, and to my BFF, and you know I'm fond of, I have all the NRI friends around, and Aura being here, I want all of you to support him, give him all your love, all the blessings to the Shiva Shiva song, and yeah.
Do you remember? First, you teaching me home.
Yeah, we. So when we were in a show together, which you all know about, there used to be a lot of mess and chaos. As you know, that house is full of a lot of craziness. I'm saying everything in English so that he also understands. So please bear with me. So there used to be a lot of chaos. So one day morning, we are like, let's do the chanting, and we sat there in the garden, me with like all the hair and oil in my hair, and we did do it.
Right.
Oh, Shiva Shiva.
Happy Shivratri in advance. So we are here for this Shiv Tandav song, which a Korean has sung, and you are the chief guest here. How does it feel to be, from the same fraternity to see, foreigners, put it like that, to come in India and promote its culture, heritage, its rituals, its spirituality, everything?
सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि हमारे इंडियन ट्रेडिशन, इंडियन कल्चर्स को और हमारी इंडियन जो जिसको कहते हैं ना, जो योगिक नॉलेज है और जो हमारा इतना बड़ा इतिहास है, वो इंस्पायर कर रहा है सिंगर्स और परफॉर्मर्स को जो कोरिया से। ये बहुत बड़ी एक बात है और मुझे लगता है आने वाले पलों में, आने वाले जितने भी वर्ष अभी आने वाले हैं, उसमें इंडियन एथॉस और इंडियन कल्चर बहुत बड़ा पार्ट प्ले करेगा। जैसे आप देख रहे हैं कि हर तरफ आज सितार वादक को लाखों लोग देखने जा रहे हैं, ठीक है। ऋषभ शर्मा जी हैं और ऐसे बहुत सारे क्लासिकल म्यूजिशियंस हैं जो सेंटर में आ रहे हैं। मेडिटेशन, योगा और हमारा जो कल्चर है वो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस गेन कर रहा है। तो आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी कि ऑरा ने ये शिव तांडव आप लोगों के लिए अपने स्टाइल में पेश करने की कोशिश की है और इस चीज़ की हमारे म्यूज़िकल लेगेसी को भी बड़ी खुशी है कि इन लोग हमारे इस कल्चर को, हमारे इस म्यूज़िक को अडैप्ट कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज यही फ्यूचर है। और आज ह्यूमन वेलनेस जो होती है उसका बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट हमारी इंडियन कल्चर का है, जो ह्यूमन लाइफ को चेंज करने के लिए हमारा जो इतनी बड़ी हमारी जो नॉलेज है आयुर्वेदिक मेडिसिन की, योगा की, हमारे कल्चर की, ये बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट करने वाले पूरे विश्व पे। एंड संगीत इज़ द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट। जैसे आप जानते हैं सारे ब्रह्मांड के अंदर जो एक्चुअल साउंड है वो साउंड है ओम का। ये ऑलरेडी सारे साइंटिस्ट और सारी दुनिया ने आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया है कि हमारे जो क्रिएशन है, पूरे ब्रह्मांड, हमारे पूरे यूनिवर्स का जो मेन साउंड है वो ओम है। सो टुडे इट्स अ ग्रेट फीलिंग फॉर मी एज एन इंडियन and also as a musician that international musicians like Aura are taking a step towards making Indian classical music a part of their musical journey. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone.
This part.
Small sound. Sing.
Tato vikala jalan proba pavita stole kalevalam balam vitam pujanga danga malika tamak 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 tamangina tawata marbayam chukara chara tandavang tanotuna shiva shivam.
Har Har Mahadev. Well done, well done, well done.
This journey started and what made you to sing this Shiva Shiva?
Look center,
And how it was difficult or easy to sing this song?
First, 그 Sanskrit this very difficult, and I prepare time 1 year. So everyday meditation, also everyday learning. Everyday learning now also today also learning, so many practice, but very happy.
Could you tell me about your entire look of today's song launch? You are looking very nice in
Thank you.
tilak and all.
Yeah.
How did you plan
I'm
this?
so very grateful, and then because are coming also, I'm so very grateful. Thanks for God also. Also now just I want to this know. Now I'm learning India culture also, India music also. Now start. So until now today landed in India 3 years today. So after also look forward. Thanks so
Tell me
much.
about your video which you are launching today.
I'm so very excited and I'm so very happy because we are together.
Good luck to
Guys, I'm pretty excited. It's Aura's Shiva Shiva song. I've already heard the song. I just got to know there's a big surprise in store for me, and to my BFF, and you know I'm fond of, I have all the NRI friends around, and Aura being here, I want all of you to support him, give him all your love, all the blessings to the Shiva Shiva song, and yeah.
Do you remember first you teaching me home?
Yeah, we. So when we were in a show together, which you all know about, there used to be a lot of mess and chaos. As you know, that house is full of a lot of craziness. I'm saying everything in English so that he also understands. So please bear with me. So there used to be a lot of chaos. So one day morning, we are like, let's do the chanting, and we sat there in the garden, me with like all the hair and oil in my hair, and we did do it.
Right.
Shiva Shiva. So I think you got the inspiration from there. You have to tell them the
I'm so very
story.
happy for coming here.
Thank you. But you tell the story.
Yeah, first you teaching me Shiva,
Ah.
Shiva, right? So after I'm so very wondering, so many now learning.
Yes.
I want to show you.
Thank you so much. It's an honor, it's a pleasure that I am able to inspire you for this very creation. And I can't wait for the world to see your creativity in there. And guys, wish him all the best. So Shiva Shiva, the first part is here in Mumbai, and if it's a big hit, the second part is going to be in Korea, and he's going to pay for my tickets.
Your company.
My company, yeah. We're going to talk to the company.
I'm good guy.
हाँ ठीक है हम सबको लेके जाएंगे. We all want to go to Korea with you.
Yeah, of course. And Hatu.
Ah, Natta.
Big power.
Thank you.
तो मैं शुरुआत करूंगी सबके साथ, हम सब एक साथ बोलेंगे हर हर महादेव. तो इट वाज अमेजिंग. मुझे यकीन ही नहीं हो रहा कि एक कोरियन, हमारी दुनिया, हमारी पूरी जेंजी कोरियन पॉप के पॉप के पीछे पागल हो रही है, और हमारे पास साक्षात एक कोरियन है जो हमारे शिव जी के लिए, शिव भक्त निकले हमारे शिव जी के लिए. इतना प्यारा, इतना अमेजिंग, मतलब ब्रेथ टेकिंग सॉन्ग जो है बना दिया है. और तांडव, खुद डांस कर रहे हैं, खुद तांडव कर रहे हैं. तो ऐसा लगता है कि ये गलती से कोरिया में पैदा हो गया, ये पीछे से आत्मा कहीं हमारे बनारस की या ऋषिकेश की कहीं की आत्मा है ये. सो इट वाज टू गुड मैन, टू गुड लवली. तो प्लीज़ देखिए, प्लीज़ डू वॉच इट. सबको बहुत पसंद आएगा. मैं तो बहुत बड़ी शिव भक्त हूँ, तो मुझे तो यकीन बहुत ही अमेजिंग लगा है. तो आप लोगों को भी बहुत पसंद आएगा. एंड ऑल्सो आई वांट टू टॉक टू द प्रोड्यूसर. So he's Abhay Purpani, and he's the owner of a lounge in Malad called Glass House. Glass House. And sometimes हम वहाँ जाते हैं, वहाँ chill करते हैं, और अचानक से I want to ask him now, मतलब ये कहाँ से thought आया अचानक से from being a lounge owner to producer, song producer, वो भी सीधा महादेव.
Like I said, you said we are very much inspired with Korean cultures, Indians, we
Yeah.
Indians. So when I got the concept of this song from Rachana, that Korean singer is gonna sing a song on Shiva in Hindi and Sanskrit, Sanskrit and English.
Yeah.
So I was like, wow, this is what got inspired me to be a producer of this song. Thank you, Aura, for this wonderful song. Thank you.
So, I mean, to give you a prelude to what the song is about, I'm sure everyone has felt this at some point in their lives, that, you know, because of the cyclical nature of life, you sort of get overwhelmed by different thoughts that, you know, bother you, or the material requirement that this world has from us as humans, and you kind of get lost in your daily life, and you don't sort of stop to think, okay, what is my ultimate purpose, or what is beyond any of the things that sort of make us human on a daily basis. And the song is sort of about that. It's about taking a moment to yourself, sitting down and exploring sort of your inner mind and what sort of brings spirituality into your life. And in this particular song, Shiva guides Aura through a meditative trance where he basically lives 100 different lifetimes, and he gets an understanding of, you know, the world from a God's point of view. So he's able to finally see beyond the human emotions that bind us to this world and the material nature of this world, and sort of embrace that and attain an ultimate sense of nirvana. And yeah, I mean, that's what the song is about.
And what was the reason for you to take up, producing on a song? What is the USP you thought this song has?
Well, like I said, it's very interesting because we tend to see the world from a very one-dimensional point of view, and we sort of forget to see that there's more to this world, and there's more to life than just being human. So the fact that we could explore him living 100 different lifetimes, battling all the different emotions of grief, anger, confusion, was sort of the USP for us on how we could sort of depict that visually without actually showing a clear passage of time. And yeah, that's the USP for us.
Would you like to add something?
I think what everyone will see eventually is the effort and the amount of intensity Aura will bring into the song. He's put in so much time, so much effort, all to, you know, make this song as viable for everyone to see, and not to disrespect anyone's, you know, interest in this. He has, in our opinion, and soon and hopefully in your opinion also, lived up to everyone's expectations. And what you will see is a dance performance, what you will see is emotions, what you will see is faith come to life with this song and through Aura. That's what.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Overall, I'm loving the concept where we are blending like the Korean culture and the Indian culture as well. So coming from where we belong, we mainly promote like Korean culture across India, doing like events and basically like promoting Korean culture as well. And since the past few years, we have also been connected with Aura's work, how he is blending both the elements. So overall, yeah, we are very excited about the whole concept about Tandav, and we are excited to even see and vibe with the songs.
Anybody else want to say anything? Thank you.
Thank you.
Really excited to see it. It is something very new and unique, and I can't wait because what I've heard about his performance, that it's quite good. So I'm looking forward to it.
Exactly.
You have a series also?
Yes, his series is coming,
Yes.
which is Talash.
Talash on Netflix, coming soon in a few months. So I'm eagerly waiting for that.
Even we are eagerly waiting for that. And thoda sa about this song is that आजकल, you know, everyone is going crazy about this whole K-pop culture आ गया है इंडिया में, और इतने सारे लोग पागल है, इतने सारे फैंस हैं, अभी आपने देखे इतने सारे ग्रुप्स आए हैं यहाँ पर. बट इट इज़ सो नाइस टू सी Aura, you know, represent our culture there and put it on an international platform and promote Shiva in Korea. So ये मेरे लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा amazing point था and I loved it. और teaser तो आप देख लेंगे and गाना is also fantastic.
थैंक यू.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
हाँ, तो हमारी जो सीरीज़ आ रही है वो रेंसिल डिसिल्वा सर ने डायरेक्ट की है, नेटफ्लिक्स पे आ रही है. और अनसाम्बल कास्ट है जिसमें परिणीति चोपड़ा है, जेनिफर विंगेट है, सोनी राजदान, अनूप सोनी, सुमित व्यास, हरलीन सेठी. तो काफ़ी अच्छी कास्ट है, स्टोरी भी बहुत अच्छी है और एक बहुत टाइम बाद एक थ्रिलर आ रही है नेटफ्लिक्स पे. सो इट शुड बी गुड. आई थिंक इट बी अ गुड वॉच फॉर एवरीबडी.
First you were working with Shilpa Shetty, now Praniti Chopra. What is the difference? How does it feel?
वेल बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि मुझे ऐसे मौके मिले हैं कि मैंने अपनी प्रीवियस फिल्म नेटफ्लिक्स पर शिल्पा शेट्टी के साथ की है और इस बार परिणीति चोपड़ा के साथ कर रहा हूँ. तो काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हूँ और कास्ट भी बहुत अमेजिंग है और सबके साथ काम करके इनफैक्ट बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा. एंड इट वाज अ नाइस स्टोरी एंड रेंसिल डिसिल्वा सर इज़ अ ब्रिलियंट डायरेक्टर. बीन वांटिंग टू वर्क विद हिम और फाइनली एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली.
See, hi. Thank you. First of all, see, Lord Shiva is not limited to any culture or any country. So nowadays we Indians are very inspired with Korean music, Korean dance, Korean cinema. So when I heard this concept of the song from Parul, that Aura, Korean singer, is going to sing a song on Lord Shiva in in Sanskrit and in English, that was a wow moment for me. That thing inspired me to be a part of this song as a producer.
आपने जब गाना सुना, what was your reaction?
I तो loved it. मुझे तो अच्छा लगा बहुत गाना. I'm just waiting कि कभी इसका exact वीडियो आ जाए. I'm just waiting for this. Thank you.
वैसे तो मैं ओरा को बहुत टाइम से जान रहा हूँ. हमारा एक के डर्मा करके प्रोडक्ट आया, उसमें ओरा ने हमारी बहुत हेल्प की है. और ओरा दिखता है कोरियन लेकिन उसका दिल एकदम हिंदुस्तानी जैसा है. और उसका म्यूज़िक में आप देखते रहेंगे कि हिंदुस्तान का कल्चर के बारे में ही रहता है, वो कल्चर को फील करता है. तो मैं ओरा को शिवा शिवम जो सॉन्ग उसने अभी आज वीडियो जो इनका हो रहा है उसके लिए मैं बहुत सारी शुभकामना देता हूँ. और वो हमारे फंक्शन में आया था, उसने वो टाइम पे शिव तांडव गाया था. तो वहाँ पे 30,000 के प्लस हमारा कम्युनिटी की पब्लिक थी. उन्होंने बहुत सारा एंजॉय किया और उसका हिंदुस्तान कल्चर के हिसाब से वो गाना, तो मैं बहुत सारी शुभकामना देता हूँ. थैंक यू.
Blending in our culture and heritage is not easy. What do you have to say?
I just would like to wish them all the best for this venture and yeah, looking forward to hearing it.
So being a singer, I'm sure it's always encouraging, when you have someone. What do you have to say about it?
Yeah, all I can do is wish them all the best, yes. It's always nice to keep doing new ventures and new releases and wishing them all the best.
एक्चुअली एक तो खुद कोरियन लैंग्वेज इतनी ज़्यादा टफ होती है एंड एक कोरियन बंदे ने शिव तांडव को गाया है. सो इट्स रियली इनक्रेडिबल एंड आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू हियर दिस शिव तांडव एंड ही इज़ मल्टी टैलेंटेड. आई थिंक ही इज़ वेरी नाइस. सो आई थिंक कोरिया के अंदर बहुत टैलेंट है एंड आई एम ग्लैड कि हमारे इंडिया में वो टैलेंट आया. सो इट्स रियली गुड एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू द होल टीम, मुरा, एवरीवन. थैंक यू.
सभी को हर हर महादेव, जय श्री महाकाल. आज क्या है, शिव अर्धनारीश्वर जो होता है, भगवान ने हम लोग को बनाया. यहाँ आकर बहुत अच्छा लगा क्योंकि इतना सारा लोगों में हम लोग को भी याद किया. जो होना चाहिए था सबके ध्यान में नहीं रहता है. जो सब्जेक्ट का गाना है आज उसमें हम लोग का ही है. तो आप सब ने याद किया, मुझे इनवाइट किया, इसलिए मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. सबसे मुझे एक बात सबसे अच्छा लगा, हम लोग जो इंडिया जो कल्चर बाहर देश का लोग अपना लिया. मैं चाहती हूँ जो हम लोग इंडियन हैं उनको भी अपनाना चाहिए. ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं भारत की सारी किंगडम माँ की तरफ से. थैंक यू सर.
First of all, congratulations. I think
Jai Mahakal, Jai Shivji. I listen to it daily, so this is something that I don't miss this. I have my fast version and the slow version. And Shiv Stotram obviously is a hymn which talks about surrender. So I think that's something which is the essence, where you let go of your ego, you let go of your false visions and look at total surrender to God. So I really follow it with passion, and I'm very happy that you sang this, and this is something I look forward to. So congratulations on this. This is really special, and when Parul mentioned about this one, I didn't want to miss this. So thank you.
Thank you so much.
And I've met because everyone just talks about mixing culture, but you have finally done it with, I guess, Srinivasa and now Shri.
Right.
So it's amazing, and I'm looking forward for the screening.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You know what influence K-pop has on the world? So it's extremely nice to see a Korean artist cover and perform and remake by sprinkling hints of his style and remaking the very Stotra, Shiv Stotra, which has a place in our hearts, special place in our hearts. So that's what this song feels.
Yeah. God bless you.
Thank you.
God bless you.
And we really look forward to your other projects.
Yeah. Of course.
हर हर महादेव सभी को. आई होप आप सभी अच्छे होंगे. एंड ऑनेस्टली व्हेन आई हैव टू टॉक अबाउट द सॉन्ग, मैं बहुत बड़ी भक्त हूँ शिव जी की, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू नो दिस अमालगेशन ऑफ कोरिया एंड द इंडियन कल्चर दैट वी हैव हियर इन इंडिया, वेयर कोरिया के एक आर्टिस्ट ने पहली बार यहाँ पे आके हमारे कल्चर में इमर्स किया है. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी ये कोलैबोरेशन जो हुआ है, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद द फैक्ट दैट माई फ्रेंड Abhay is a part of this beautiful song, and he made me come here and watch the teaser, and honestly I just can't wait to see the whole song because it just gave me goosebumps while watching it, because when I saw and the whole thing, the way it has shot, everything just made me feel so excited about it. So I just can't wait to see the entire song, and much love to Aura and the entire team of this song. Har Har Mahadev. Thank you.